Hey guys, this is Elias from Aviation for the channel. In this video I will show you 3 ways that I use to set up my model airport in any scale. Before I start, subscribe to my channel for unboxing and reviews, aviation news. Follow me on social media. You can find me on Instagram, EKAviation_400. So let's begin to tell you that you have 3 different ways to make the setup of your airport. The first is follow the Fly Radar. It's the application you can find in the Google Play Store. The flights are completely imaginary. This is the second way, and the third way that we prefer is to make a combination about Fly Radar, my imagination, and routes that I'm creating with my friends on Instagram. So guys, just in front of me I have the schedule of the week of my airport. It is based on Fly Radar flights, real flights, flights that used my imagination, and flights that I created with my friends from the groups and the Instagram. So, for an example, today is Tuesday. At 10 o'clock it is a real flight based on Fly Radar, an Air Canada CRJ 900 comes from Montreal. I have WestJet sub from Toronto, the Toronto hubs. This is a real flight also. What else? I have an Alaska Cure 400, comes from Hamilton. I'm lacking, about turboprops, Canadian turboprops, so I'm representing that flight with a turboprop Alaska livery, a Q400. Plus I have a couple of flights that I created with my friends from Instagram. So let me show you what exactly I'm doing. So to give you an example what I'm doing when I'm doing the setup of my airport, this WestJet Boeing 787 goes from my airport to Dublin. This flight is real. And we also created that flight between the 2 airports, my airport as EK Aviation 400 to an airport called GDA Airport in Dublin. We are friends from Instagram, so we have the same model and we created that route. Right next we have another WestJet 737-800. This flight is real, is based on Fly Radar. Flair Airlines 737-800 based on Fly Radar. We have an Air Canada here MAX 8. This aircraft comes from Glasgow. It is real to my airport. Plus we created a route between Glasgow South and EK Aviation 400 between our 2 airports, because we have the same model also. And right next we have another Boeing 737 MAX 8 from Air Canada again. This flight is based on Fly Radar. Right next you can see here we have an American Airlines. This flight is real. It comes from Boston. And the Condor Airlines, a German carrier. These flights, Condor comes to Halifax seasonally. Plus, I created also in my imagination 2 flights per week from Frankfurt to Halifax Stanfield. So this flight is completely imaginary. Because I have a Canadian airport my home, I have Halifax Stanfield International Airport. I representing the flights from that airport. It's based in Nova Scotia, Canada. My collection is based on Canadian Airlines mostly, North American. Almost all the major European carriers that really comes to Canada, such as Air France or British Airways. These two carriers doesn't come to Halifax. They are coming to Montreal and Toronto and Vancouver, but this is the fictional part. Plus the flights that I'm making with my friends at Celt Aviation, you can find us on Instagram. That makes the hobby, more fun. I hope you enjoy the video. Stay tuned for aviation news, unboxing and release from all manufacturers. And until the next time, guys, bye.